Hello KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can connect inNewZenler with Google Sheet. So whenever there is a new row added inside Google Sheet, so we are going to enroll an user inside Zenler. So I'm going to do all this using a tool called KonnectzIT and workflow automation tool. So let's get started to build our workflow using KonnectzIT. I just logged into KonnectzIT and start by creating my workflow, that is create Konnectz. Let us start by naming our workflow. Name it as Google Sheet to Zenler. So now I will start searching for Google Sheet. Drag and drop Google Sheet app. So select the trigger as new row. So whenever there is a new row added to my Google Sheet, so I will be getting as a trigger. So before selecting the account, so if you don't have an account attached to this, so you have to click on manage accounts and then just click on add account. So this will going to authorize Google Sheet inside KonnectZit. So I'll be selecting the account which I already authorized, Google Sheet account, and then select my spreadsheet and select the sheet and hit on test and review. So when we hit on test and review, so it will ask you for mandatory field. Just select email and name and then just click on proceed. So we have to select our account and add trigger manually. Select from spreadsheet. So whenever there is a change on the spreadsheet, notify me immediately and then just click on save. So this will going to add a trigger manually. Basically we are adding an app script, so it will ask you for account confirmation and give you an warning. So don't worry about the warning as you're adding it into your own sheets. You're adding app script into your own sheets, so just click on allow. So once we done this, so our trigger will be added successfully inside Google Sheets. So now we will close this account and then go back to Google Sheet, and you can see a row will be fetched. So the first row, so this is my Google Sheet. This is how it looks like. It has name, email, phone, company, and lead score. So the first row will be added inside Google Sheet. So will be fetched inside KonnectZit. So you can see that you can just use this for adding additional responses. So right now I don't need it. So I just need name, email, and the phone number. So I will go ahead with this details. So now I will search for Zenler. I'm going to add this. So now select the action as enroll user to course. I'm going to enroll the user to the course. Again, we have to add our account. So for authorizing Zenler, so just click on manage account if you don't have an account and click on add account. It will ask you for API key and the account name. So you can go to Zenler account and then under this site, so you will find the account name, that is your site name basically. So just copy that and go to KonnectZit and paste the account name and then your API key. So just get back again and then scroll down under developers. You will be having API key. So just copy your API key. So and just click on add. So this will going to authorize your account inside KonnectZit. So let me go back and then select my account. So choose the course which you want to add your user for. So I'll be selecting my course and then connect all the details. So right now you have first name and last name actually added together. So even you can split these things. So basically into using our KonnectZIT text splitter, first name and then just add last name, same name, and the email ID and password. I'll just add it manually as 123, and then just hit on test and review. So this will going to enroll a new user, that is Rakesh B Mahesh at gmail.com inside our Zenler. So let me go ahead and refresh my page. So this is the last user which enrolled into my course. So let me go ahead and refresh my page. You can see that for this course, so a new user has been enrolled automatically. So you can see the name has been repeated, first name and last name, because I am just using the same name. So let me go to KonnectZIT back again and publish my workflow. So this is my workflow look like, and go ahead and publish. So I already named my workflow. So now it has been successfully published. So the workflow has been successfully published, Google Sheet to Zenler demo. So now what I do, I'll go to Google Sheet and add a new user. So name Rohit. So, and then I'm going to add one more user called Achai. So I added two email IDs called Rohit and Ajay. So let's go back to our workflow as per our workflow. So whenever there is a new row which has been added inside Google Sheet, automatically it will enroll the user on our course on Zenler. So let's go to Zenler and refresh our page. So there will be a two user will be added inside Zenler by name Rohit and Ajay. So yes guys, you can see that a user by Rohit at KonnectZIT.com, and you can see the first name and last name which is been repeated, and same as for Ajay as well. So this is how you can add a new enroll a new user to your course on Zenler. So whenever there is a new row trigger added inside Google Sheet. Hope you guys like this integration, and if you have any questions on this particular integration, do drop me on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.